Did you know a man survived a night with hungry lions and changed history forever? Daniel was a faithful servant of God in ancient Babylon, praying 3 times daily despite a new law forbidding it. For 30 days, he refused to stop worshiping, knowing the penalty was death. At sunset, the soldiers came. King Darius had no choice but to cast Daniel into the den of man-eating lions. These weren't ordinary animals. They were executioners, trained to devour criminals alive. That night, King Darius couldn't eat or sleep. He paced his palace, tormented by what he had done. At dawn, he rushed to the den and called out desperately, expecting only silence. But Daniel's voice answered back. God had sent an angel to shut the lions' mouths. The king was amazed as Daniel emerged completely unharmed. Not even a scratch. The men who accused Daniel were thrown into the same den. The lions devoured them before they hit the bottom. Faith had triumphed over fear.